Hi there.
Hello.
We are going to see how many popcorn we can get in the other person's mouth.
And we're going to call it the popcorn challenge.
Stop eating little weirdos.
Okay, you first. Ready? Subscribe to us. We're awesome.
Yeah.
You ready? You heard that.
My chin. That was my chin.
Here, eat it. Don't die.
Okay. Ready?
You suck at this.
Okay. Now?
Ready?
That was my nose. Let's go. Oh! So close, but yet so far.
Get this piece for me, please. Look, they're going this far apart.
Right here.
We're this far apart. How are we missing?
No, you need to come closer. No.
The goal is to get at least one in the other person's mouth.
It's not gonna happen. We got a lot of pieces here.
Oh, that was so close.
My face.
Oh! We got it. Okay, hang on. Now you gotta try again.
Oh.
Crap. I think they're getting bored. You want to dance with Harry?
I think it's the last time we did that. I didn't want to.
Okay. Watch our next video. Whee! Okay.
We're not you. Wait. Wait. Right there. Okay. Ooh. Wow there.
I got you. I got you. Okay. So watch our next video while I kill Cassidy.
Oh, kill me.
Trying to kill me too. Bye.